Sometimes, yeah, not saying anything is actually saying a lot. Like, if you understand the power that comes with keeping silent, you will prioritize that fact that not saying anything is actually saying a lot. Because when you go silent on some situation, it's way powerful than you explaining or saying your own side of the story. Sometimes you just need to keep mute, and that says a lot. And that does a lot as well. When you keep mute to some situations, I promise you, it kills so many people. You see, that silent treatment is the best treatment you can ever give. Instead of you to try to revenge or explain or try to prove your own side of the story, just keep mute. Not saying anything sometimes is way bigger than saying so much.